Microsoft is almost finished with their Windows 11 24 H2 update rollout. Many users are experiencing problems with this new update. Even many people have already downgraded to 23 H2. But downgrading is not going to stop Windows from updating again. You need to block the 24 H2 so that it won't install again. In this video, you will learn how to block Windows 11 24 H2 update from installing. If your PC is already updated to 24 H2 and you are facing issues, you can downgrade to 23 H2 using the Go Back option from the recovery. However, if the 10 days have crossed after the update, this option won't work. You need to do a clean install. For that, you can check out our video, click the I button, or check the description. Once you roll back to 23 H2, you need to block the 24 H2 update so that it cannot install again. For that, you will have to change registry settings or group policy settings, so it is recommended that you take a backup of valuable files, as changing these settings may cause issues. Press the Windows +R button to open the Run dialog, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Then navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then Windows Update, and then select Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. Then on the right side, double-click on Select the Target Feature Update version. Here select the Enable box. Then on this box, type the version you are currently on and want to stay 23 H2 or 22 H2. Click on Apply and then OK. Now restart your PC so that the settings can apply to the update. In case you change your mind and want to install 24 H2, simply navigate through all these settings, then open it and select Not Configured, and then restart your PC. If you are using Windows 11 Home version, you won't find the Group Policy Editor. In that case, you can block the Windows 11 24 H2 update using the Registry Editor. For that, press Windows +R and type regedit and hit Enter. Click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Then in the Registry Editor, navigate through HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, and then Windows. Now here look for the Windows Update folder. If you don't find it, you need to create it. Right-click on Windows, choose New, and then Key. Type Windows Update without any space. Hit the Enter button. Select this folder, then on the right side, right-click and go to New, and select String Value. Now name this string as product version as I have typed. Double-click on it, then enter Windows 11 in the value field and click OK. Right-click again and create a new DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value as target release version. Open it and change the value to 1. Click OK. Now right-click again and create a new string. Name it as target release version info. Double-click on it, and then in the value field, enter the Windows 11 version you want to stay. If you are currently on 23 H2, you can type it, and if you are on 22 H2, enter that in the value, and click OK. Make sure to type all values and keys as I have typed, and concentrate on spaces and capital/small letters, otherwise it is not going to work. Now close the Registry Editor and restart the PC for the changes to take effect. Now your PC will stay on the 23rd H2 update and won't automatically update itself to 24 H2. When you decide to move on to the 24 H2, simply navigate through all these keys and delete the Windows Update folder or these 3 keys you have created. So this is how you can block the Windows 11 24 H2 update and stay on 23 H2 or 22 H2 as long as its expiry date.